Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. My name is MD Jamal Hossain. Because this is nickname MD Jamal. I was born in Pabna. At present, I live in Bhatpada. Actually, I am a teacher. At present, study job Manikhat Modinatul Ulum Islamia Kindergarten. There are 5 members in my family, and my parents, my 2 brothers, no sisters, and me. My father is a farmer. Mother is a housewife. My father and mother, I love you. I love you, my family. My future plan. Now I will take about my future plan. My future plan is to become a good teacher. I want help student. I believe teaching is a noble profession. I want to be a teacher because I love sharing knowledge. Thank you all for listen to me. Eid Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.